Hello student, good morning. In previous video we have seen the information about classification of industries. Okay, small industries, medium and heavy industries. Means according to their nature we classified them in three types. But for all the industries they needs raw material, labor force, land, capital. Okay, these are the essential factors. Today's video we will see agro-based industries. Agro-based. Dear students, our India country is okay. In our India country, there is main occupation means which is main occupations? Agriculture is our main occupations. Near about 40 or 50% people are engaged in agriculture, because all of you knows maximum industries are depend upon agriculture, because our agriculture provide them raw material. So on the raw material, agro-based, which type of agro-based industries are available in our India? Today's video we have to see which type of agro-based industries. India is predominantly agrarian country. Okay, it is right. India is a predominantly agrarian country. In India, variety of agriculture product is available. So in India, there are so many different type of raw materials available in your India. Raw material. Okay, sugarcane, cotton. Okay, fruits. Okay, these are the raw material. So by making the process, okay, we get finished products. Okay, for example, you have seen sugarcane is a raw material. Okay, but when we send that sugarcane in a sugar factory, we get finished product which is a sugar. So different type of agro-based industries have come up. So means different type of agro-based. So which are the industries are depend on the agriculture, or especially agro-based coming up. In addition to these industries, processing agriculture products have also developed. So nowadays, due to the unemployment, nowadays many people they are doing agriculture work, because our Indian government, especially our state government, okay, is not, we can say, able to give them everyone means government job. So our Indian government, okay, they are boosting us to do any work. Okay, don't remain empty. Okay, to do any work. Okay, they are giving us different type of loans, okay, for the business. So nowadays many educated, well qualified, okay, people, okay, they are using agriculture and they are producing different type of products. So agricultural products have also developed. These include the dairy industries. Nowadays dairy industries, okay, dairy industries, it is a primary occupations. क्या है वो? Primary occupations. They being a, you can say, milk. They being a milk from the cow, buffalo, okay, and when they send to the, their milk in the, you can say, in the market or okay industries, okay, they are making different type of products, you know, okay, from the milk. So dairy industry is also very beneficial for all of us. Fruit processing, okay, those are the fruits, okay, mango, apple, okay, banana, okay, pineapple, okay, for all these fruits, okay, they are using different type of fruits, or sorry, finished product. Food processing, jaggery makings, okay, etc. Okay, all these are the agro-based industries. ये सब क्या है? Agro-based industries, because for all these industries, okay, they are, we can say, they are giving a raw material from the agriculture. उसको ये जो सभी industries है, which type of industries? Dairy industries, food, you know, food processing, जैगरी मेकिंग, इस सबके लिए जो रॉ मटेरियल लगता है वो कहाँ से मिलता है? एग्रीकल्चर से. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर, ओके, That's why they are depend on the agriculture. Industries depend on the agriculture. Products have been established everywhere. So regarding the industries, okay, means where they will get raw material, okay, they establish their own industries. उसको जहाँ raw material मिलता है, okay, वहीं पे वो अपना industries ओपन या इस्टेब्लिश करते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल जागरी मेकिंग इंडस्ट्रीज और शुगर इंडस्ट्रीज फॉर एग्जांपल, ओके, उसको जहाँ भी वो रॉ मटेरियल मिलता है वहीं पे वो इंडस्ट्रीज इस्टेब्लिश करेंगे. विदाउट रॉ मटेरियल, ओके, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर देम टू इस्टेब्लिश देयर इंडस्ट्रीज. सो एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स हैव बीन इस्टेब्लिश एवरीवेयर. सो ओके, एग्रीकल्चर जो प्रोडक्ट्स है, ओके, वी गेट, ओके, एवरीवेयर. ओके, there has also been developed in heavy industries like textile and sugar. So textile जो heavy industries है, okay, textile industries और sugar industry, okay, ये जो है, okay, these industries also established in any part of the India where they will get raw material. So dear students, agro based industries nowadays, due to the science and technology, our Indian agriculture also improved there. Our Indian agriculture improved because nowadays they are using new type of or modern material, modern implement to increase their products. For example, jalapenos, our forefathers or our ancestors, okay, they were using to plow the soil or field bullocks, but nowadays we are using tractors, you know, okay, thresher machines, okay, harvesters, okay, all these modern implements. And due to the modern implements, okay, it is really we increase our productions. So dear student, agro based industries, okay, these are the agro based industries. And you know, agro based industry, okay, they are, we can say, providing us different type of finished products, and with the help of that finished product we can say increasing our production. In this way we are increasing our living standard. You know, our forefathers, okay, they were we can say taking very low or very less productions due to the lack of capital, due to the lack of good seeds. Okay, nowadays we increase our products too much because we are using finish means good products, or you can say good seeds, hybrid seeds, okay, we can say fertilizers and all these things, okay, we are which is essential to increase the end type of products. So dear students, next video we will see next information of this lesson. Thank you.